Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your New York life insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your New York life insurance policy, start by gathering all necessary documents. Make sure you have your policy number, personal identification, and any relevant medical information on hand. Visit the official New York Life website. Look for the Customer Logins section on the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Register or Create Account option. Follow the prompts to set up your online account by providing the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Activations section. Carefully read through the instructions provided. Fill out any necessary forms related to your policy activation. Review your information to ensure accuracy before submitting. If you prefer, you can also activate your policy by calling New York Life's customer service. Prepare to provide your policy number and personal information when you call. A representative will guide you through the activation process. After your activation request is submitted, wait for confirmation. You should receive an email or a letter confirming your policy's activation. Keep a copy of this confirmation for your records. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Once activated, review your policy details thoroughly to understand your coverage. Make note of key dates for premium payments and policy benefits. Congratulations, you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your New York life insurance policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.